Number 21. A child is vaccinated against measles. After a period of time, the child is infected with the measles virus. The graph shows the concentration of measles antibodies in the child's bloodstream during this time. Which statement is consistent with the information in the graph? Looks like antibody concentration in the blood increased a little bit in the beginning and then it increased quite a lot later on. So it looks like this is probably the effect of the first vaccination. So during vaccination, a person is injected with an antigen or attenuated pathogens. Attenuated means weakened. So when antigen or attenuated / weakened pathogen goes into the body, the immune system learns the antigen, studies about the antigen, and develops an antibody against that specific antigen or pathogen. So, therefore, the antibody production occurred in the beginning. It didn't occur for long. It just happened shortly. And then after actual measles virus infection, because there are memory cells that learned. There are memory cells that learned the antigen and pathogens. They act immediately and produce a lot of antibodies. So that's why in short time, antibody concentration in the blood increased dramatically. So the answer for this question is A. After the vaccination, the child produced memory cells. These memory cells are the ones that protect your body from many infections, many pathogens, after learning what they are. So A is the answer for this question. Okay.